How to use love language to deepen your relationship. Trust. Part 1. The quest for love may be exciting, but the journey you embark on once you've found true love is much more spectacular. Imagine the deep and everlasting feelings that might come with sharing your life with someone else for 30+ years, still experiencing butterflies even when you see them. Imagine everyday life with someone who makes you feel so good that your eyes just need to wander in their direction at parties. There is one way to deepen your relationship and keep the passion alive, and that is by learning the language of love. Learning the language of love is a critical key to developing and maintaining a passionate relationship. What is this language of love, and how can you master it? Simply put, the key is communication. Love language includes more than simply the way you speak. Other aspects include effective listening, nonverbal cues, and knowing your partner's needs and desires. It often comes from the heart and represents a desire to enjoy a passionate life with your partner. Whether it's in a new relationship or you're looking for ways to better the connection in your existing one, know that love is an empowering language. It can help you experience the joy and passion in your life that you've always desired. This video offers tips and skills that will help you start down the road to having a deeper, more loving relationship. After mastering these techniques, your new way of thinking will always bring new ways to stay in love and improve your relationship. We waste time looking for the perfect lover instead of creating the perfect love. Tom Robbins. Trust as part of your love language. Trust is a critical characteristic to be aware of in all types of relationships, but it is crucial in a loving relationship. Trust enables you and your partner to communicate effectively. However, when there is no trust in the relationship, your partner may have a hard time believing anything you say. To help create a trusting relationship, it is important to put in the necessary effort to establish and maintain that trust in each other. 3 ways to establish trust in your relationship. 1. Being honest. Honesty is the best policy when it comes to relationships. You can't build a strong bond with someone if you are not being honest with them. When you're being honest with your partner, it's easier to understand one another and resolve any disagreements. You want a solid foundation in a relationship, and honesty is a good place to start. Honesty is the most important trait in a strong relationship. You may be able to please your partner in all other ways, but if you decide to lie, it can damage your relationship. 2. Establish trust. Establish trust in your relationship by being loyal. Loyalty is the key to building a strong relationship with someone. If you are loyal, then you will always be there for that person, and they will always be there for you. 3. Commit to doing what you say you will do. A great way to get better at talking to your partner is by following through on what you say you'll do. Loving communication means more than just saying what your partner wants to hear. If you commit to something, then do it no matter what. Your partner needs to know that when you say something, they can rely on it happening in the moment. Compromise is a good way to avoid letting anyone get hurt feelings. Simply be upfront about what you're going to do and then follow through. That way, your partner does not have to nag you until the task is complete, and they will trust you more. If you want more information on this topic, click the first link in the description below to get your free guide. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button and share it with your friends. For more how-to videos, subscribe to the channel.